Right there. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? I only have my keys in this shit. Okay. Okay, yeah. Server. Server. I wouldn't mind that. Yeah.
After Trump's big wins yesterday, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell says his position hasn't changed on endorsing former President Trump despite the events of January 6th and attacks from the former president against him and his family.
I said in February of 2021, shortly after the attack on the Capitol, that I would support President Trump if he were the nominee of our party, and he obviously is going to be the nominee of our party.
The presumptive GOP nominee thanking McConnell on Truth Social, saying, quote, I look forward to working with you and a Republican Senate majority to make America great again.
Fox's Ryan Schmelz on Capitol Hill.
Well,
America is listening to Fox News.
Down, so let's do it. Can't really do that.
Over $6 billion in tax refunds were flagged by the IRS for possible identity theft in 2023. If you're in a bind this tax season, LifeLock can help. Their U.S.-based restoration specialists are dedicated to helping solve identity theft issues, and all plans are backed by the $1 Million Protection Package, which means if you lose money because of identity theft, LifeLock will reimburse you to the limit of your plan. Go to LifeLock.com and save up to 25% your first year with promo code PLAY.
Oh damn, I just got offered a job. That's funny. She's so sweet. I like her. I like going to this house. It's so nice.
But you're not here. Because your self-care happens out on the road, riding your motorcycle.
No, I was driving that way.
Besides, after a long ride, Alan Sweat is way more satisfying. So if you ride Sweat,
first time I heard of that.
America's #1 motorcycle insurer without even breaking a sweat. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates, not available in all states. For a stall in Oakland, eastbound 24 before Broadway. It's in the left lane with a delay from Claremont. Another stall on eastbound 24 is near the, or inside, I should say, the Caldecott Tunnel. Left lane of the right bore, and you're backed up from Old Tunnel Road. Fremont, a two-car crash on the shoulder, North 880 before Mission.
This report is sponsored by Allstate. Some people just know the best rate for you is a rate based on you with Allstate, not one based on anyone else. So if you drive safely, you could save money. Good to know. Visit allstate.com or call for a quote today.
Guys, I'll never forget the first time I saw somebody get results at our clinic. He was an 81-year-old man who had been with his wife in over 8 years. Viagra had stopped working for him, and he was desperate for help. After several treatments, he walked into my office and told me he couldn't believe the results. Needless to say, this was a very happy man. This man made me a believer in what we do. He had taken pills for years,
Market's still
but he had
here.
never fixed the problem.
I didn't know
When he
that.
came to us,
Thought
we
they
fixed
closed.
the problem. Our treatment does what no pill can do. And right now, we're offering a free treatment just for coming in. That's right. You can try this treatment at no cost. If you suffer from ED or Peyronie's disease, give West Coast Men's Health a call today.
With clinics in San Mateo, Pleasanton, Walnut Creek, and Elk Grove, call 650-649-7944. That's 650-649-7944. 650-649-7944. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
Are you curious about who offers the best deals on top-rated Samsung, LG, and Sony TVs? The answer is surprising. It's not online, and it's not the warehouse clubs. The best deals on top-rated TVs are at Video Only. Don't believe it? Then check out the trade-in deals at Video Only. How about $500 for your old TV? Try doing that online. Before you buy that new TV, drop into Video Only. If you don't, you'll be sorry.
The impact of a meal goes well beyond feeding our bodies. Because when people are fed, futures are nourished. And with your help, together we can end hunger. Join the movement at feedingamerica.org/act now. Brought to you by Feeding America and the Ad Council.
Liberal Bay Area politics have you thinking of moving?
Your top 5 inflow states are Arizona, South Carolina, Tennessee, Florida, and Texas.
It appears to all be red states.
The top outflow states are Alabama, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania, Illinois, and California. All of those except Alabama, blue high-tax states.
Get KSFO's Armstrong and Getty Morning Show wherever you are. 6 to 9 on your radio and smart speakers at 560 KSFO.
Main yard.
Now,
I'm gonna have to do this all the way to the second.
the bowels of a hidden bunker, somewhere
Coming
under the
back,
brick and
back
steel
into
of
the
a
same
nondescript
thing.
building,
Oh,
we've
it's
once
fine.
again made contact with our leader, Mark Levin.
Okay. Next one. Oh, I see That's a little hitting for me, but that's right here. Damn, this is so hitting. Okay, she's too busy not paying attention.
Here, our number, 877-381-3811, 877-381-3811, the state of
It gets on this side.
So it won't be on this program, at least we will discuss it before and after. Typically, they are forgettable locations. The president goes up there and brags about all the things he's done and lies about it. There'll be no bigger liar, serial liar, psychotic liar, than Joe Biden. And this speech is being worked on by his propagandists, his speechwriters.
This bud. Oh, entering on the other side. I did not know that. Okay, go on that side. So. Oh, compact. Kind of compact. Okay. Ooh, barely.
Message received. Do you want to hear it?
Maybe. Maybe. I don't know if I want to. Alright. If I forget the window. Oh, parking bus uses service across the street. And oh, whatever. I cannot believe I just got offered a job to work there. What the? Like, oh shoot! Oh yeah! Like, what the? Mike, how did he? Like, damn! He turned so fast. Like, damn. Okay. Okay, so. Great. Oh, I'm gonna be there a couple of hours because it's. Oh, fuck. I need to take this with me, I think. Doesn't say anything about. Oh, wait. Back, stupid. Okay. Doesn't to say about taking it with you, but I will anyway. Okay, well, I'm going. It's Sadero, so it's right here. 1625, so it should be the one I'm looking at. You know, I'll come back for the. Oh, you can call. I mean, I can't believe it.